Hi, my name is Karen Gauvin, and I'm a branch manager here at SiteOne Lutz, Florida. From my point of view, benefits of the app is that my customers can be out in the field on their job. They can go on their phone, their laptop, and place that order with my store. It immediately comes to me. I can pull it, have it ready, to bring it right out to them. This way they're not losing any time. Time is money, so they're not losing any dollars either. The site helps them select the product they need for the job that they're doing. They're able to go into the site and say they want a drain box, but they don't know what size they want. So they can put in drain box and they could find the 9-inch, the 12-inch, the 18-inch. There's round ones, there's shallow ones. They can pick out exactly what they want. I was excited that customers could go online and see the products that we sell, because not every store carries every product. I don't have everything in here that SiteOne carries, but I have access to it. So if you needed something specific for your job, I could get it for you. SiteOne.com allows customers to see their previous invoices so they can pull them up. Their bookkeepers don't have to call the store and get them emailed over, track their history of the products that they purchase. Yeah, it is. It's an enhancement tool for the contractor, for the store, for everyone involved.